Hello guys, welcome back. I'm going to teach you how to do Merch Everyday Bro project task number 4. So for task number 4, it says filter the data to only show merch that starts with It's Everyday Bro. So how you would do that is you go over to that mini drop down arrow, and for right over here you just unselect everything that is not It's Everyday Bro. You click OK, and as you can tell, right now it is showing all the merchandise that it says It's Everyday Bro. Hope that helps and have a great day, guys.